Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an Easter home decor haul. I wanted to share with you all the cute Easter decor pieces that I recently picked up. I love spring decor and Easter decor. I mean, this is all going to be Easter decor because there's bunnies on most of it, but besides the point, I wanted to share with you what I picked up, give you ideas and inspiration for decorating. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see the Easter home decor that I picked up, then just keep watching. So first off, if you're wondering where I am actually in my dining room against the back wall. There's way too much sun in the back of my house right now where my beauty room and bedroom is, where I typically would film. So in the front of the house, it's not that bad. So I just thought I'd film in here. And then next, I did want to mention that this year I am not going to be doing any kind of decorate with me or Easter spring home decor tours. I typically do them every year. That's because, and by the time you guys see this video, I'm actually not going to be in my house. I'm going to be in Florida. We bought a condo. We're going to be fixing it up. So a lot of these items I am going to be bringing down there. And then once we have our condo fixed up, probably next year, I can, get back into the swing of doing the decorate with me or Easter home decor house tours for 3 to 4 months a year. We're going to be living in Florida. So I'm really excited about that. So I probably won't be doing any kind of decorate with me videos there because we're going to be kind of in limbo with everything going on. I'll still have some cute decor to kind of, get me in the mood for Easter. But besides the point, that's why I'm making this video. I wanted to share with you what I picked up. All of these items are from Hobby Lobby and Michaels, I believe. I initially thought they were all from Michaels, but they're from Hobby Lobby as well. I don't know what's going on with my memory here. And I believe both stores do around 50 to 40% when it's in season for their seasonal decor, and then after, or getting close to, and then after the holiday or the season, and that's when they start to mark the decor pieces even more, like 60, 70%, 80%, whatever. But generally speaking, I think Michael's was 40% and Hobby Lobby might have been 50% for like their spring or Easter decor. So I figured I would mention that, and hopefully I can kind of distinguish what's from where because I just have everything spread out in front of me. And then lastly, I noticed too, a lot of items that I saw in both of these stores were kind of like recycled for this year. So if there's something you really liked last year that was like Easter or spring related, chances are you're going to see it again. So they kind of like recycle their decor and then put it out for that season. So first off, I think both of these pillows are from Michaels. I want to say that these are from, Ashland is the brand. That's like a lot of their stuff at Michaels is that Ashland brand. So this pillow right here I thought was super cute. It's got kind of like the flower detail. I think it's got a ribbon right there, or it's got like a flower, like a ribbon flower, if you will. And then it's just got a nice little Easter bunny right there. And then this pillow right here, it doesn't really have any spring colors. It's neutral, but I thought it was really different, but so adorable. I love the burlap detail right here. It's kind of like that lawn oblong shape, but this is like a big oblong pillow. And then it's got like the blue checkered print ribbons around the bunnies and their cute little tails. I thought that this pillow was really cute, especially if you want to just stick to like neutral decor for Easter. I really thought that that pillow was really cute. I think that's it for the pillows. And then a lot of these things are going to be just like, I don't know, like little signs and sayings and everything like that. I thought that they would be super cute to kind of just place wherever. So this one right here, I think a lot of these are from Hobby Lobby coming up. So this says, "Silly Rabbit, Easter is for Jesus." I thought that was so cute, so cute. This could go on like a coffee table, an island. I mean, it could go anywhere, but I really love that. Next, I saw this one, Bunny Crossing, and it kind of gives me like the vibes of this, like with the neutral colors, but I thought that was really cute. This was $3.99, so with the 50% off, it was really cheap, but that's kind of like a neutral decor piece. And then next, I got this little Easter bunny family. This is from Hobby Lobby as well. It's like a nice little Easter bunny family. I think this would look cute like right by like a front door, like on the inside, or maybe by like a fireplace or something. I thought that that was really cute and different. And then I'll get like close up so you guys can see, but I thought that that was really cute. And then this was $11.99 with the 50% off, I believe. And then next, let's see, I've got some like signs here. These are nice because you can like put them on a table because they have the backing like a picture frame. So this one right here, this is from Hobby Lobby as well, and it says Happy Easter, y'all. I have one that's like Happy Fall, y'all. So this one is Happy Easter, y'all. Again, with like that neutral theme, like the neutral pillow. A lot of my house here is neutral, so I might even just keep some of this stuff here. But I think going forward for most like springs and Easters now, we're gonna be in Florida. Many of you guys know I have fibromyalgia and it's just so bad here with the cold weather. So that's why we will be in Florida for the cold months, so I can actually like recuperate and do things and not live with a heating pad all the time. For those of you who have fibro, you definitely know what I'm talking about. So next is this other sign, and these were $5.99 with the 50% off, super affordable. This one's pink and it says Some Bunny Loves You. So I think that was super cute as well. And then over in this bin, this is like the last piece over here, and then I have a bag over here. It's just this bunny kind of figurine, but it's got like this floral detail right there. I thought that this was super cute as well. I mean, this could go like even by like a fireplace or somewhere. You could kind of like put all these together. This could even go like on a end table or anything like that. And this was from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99 with the 50% off. Now we're gonna get into kind of like the bigger items. I went bunny crazy this year, you guys. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I went bunny crazy. So we have Mama Bunny right here, and I believe these are all from Michael's. You guys have probably seen all these kind of like, I don't know, straw bunnies, if you will. So we have Mama Bunny here. She's so cute. If I was gonna be staying here, I would definitely have her right by our fireplace with some other things. But this could go anywhere. It could go in an entryway. It's just super adorable. I don't know where the price tag is on these, but these were 40% off. They have all different like straw bunnies there. So I picked her up, and then I picked up another bunny, but she's laying down. I thought that was super cute. Let me just, you know, she's got her legs crossed. Bunny lappin', that's what it's called, bunny lappin'. But I think like, I don't know, you'd probably like kind of like angle it like that. And then that's like what her hat looks like. So it would lay flat. This could even go on like a table, like as a centerpiece or something. And so it's really cute. So I picked up this little bunny right here. And then next, going back to like more of the straw bunnies, picked up this one right here. I think I might have picked up two of these. I don't know, I gotta look. But I thought that this one was really nice. And like these right here kind of match more of the pillows that are like this. I have a couple other pillows that have these kind of colors on them from last year. So depending on like what theme I want to go with, more of a neutral or pops of color for the spring. But yeah, I have this bunny right here. And then, oh, so I got a darker bunny. It's a little bit similar, but I ended up going with this little darker bunny right here. Really cute. I don't know. I just like really wanted to go bunny crazy, you guys. They're just so cute. They make me happy. And a lot of these bunnies, like, I don't know, this one was 20 with a 40% off. So it's not too bad. Again, after the holiday, like after Easter, these will go even cheaper, but yeah, so not too bad. And then next, I thought this was really cute. Typically, I've seen these kind of decor pieces where it's just all grass, but there's Easter eggs inside it. So I really like this. Again, this could be a nice centerpiece for like a dining room table or on an island, like a kitchen island or a coffee table. This would be really nice, or even outside, like when we're in Florida, if we have like an outdoor patio, we could like put this on there. So I really like it. I like the fact that it's got the Easter eggs in there. This is actually from Hobby Lobby, so I got to make sure I'm telling you like where these are from. But yeah, I just thought that that was really cute. Let's see here. Are we like going down to the end? Yes, we are getting down to the end. This one right here, I really like this. And this is kind of similar to the Silly Rabbit Easter's for Jesus. If you're going with kind of like the actual Easter theme and Jesus, he is risen. I really thought that that was cute. Again, these signs are just great to just pop everywhere in every single corner of your house. This one is from Michael's. It was $7.99 with the 40% off, I believe. So I thought that that was cute, kind of sticking to the Easter Jesus theme. I totally forgot, and I probably should have mentioned this in the beginning, but since I'm not going to be doing an Easter egg decorate with me or Easter spring home decor house tour video, I'm going to link my ones from last year so you guys can look at those. They're still really good, and you guys can see the decorations I had last year and kind of what I did. Since I'm not going to be filming one this year, I just wanted to, you know, kind of show you guys what I picked up for our condo in Florida so it can at least feel like Easter before we do all the renovating. So I have 2 more items to share with you. I believe this sign is from Hobby Lobby. It was $17.99 with the 50% off. This is more like I can, you know, keep this up after Easter. Easter is what, beginning of April this year? Like April, it's like the first week of April, I think. So it's kind of early. I think last year it was later in April. But so I can keep this sign up. It's just one of those signs you kind of lean against the wall or anything, or even like a front porch area. It just says Hello Spring. It's kind of hard to like show you because it's pretty big. So it's just like a simple little sign I got, which is nice because I can still use it after Easter. And then last but not least are these 2 kind of like rustic, basic wooden bunnies. When I say rustic, meaning they're not like perfect wooden, you guys can see the lines right there. They're kind of just these bunny figurines. I got 2 of them. These were $15.99 at Hobby Lobby with the 50% off. These are good to just place anywhere, place on the floor, by the front door. I've showed you many of these kind of figurines going on, but I think I have a good starting point for kind of like decorating, you know, this year and next year, but I'm not going to do any, you know, videos in terms of like decorate with me, because again, I'd rather show you guys when we fully renovate the condo that we're moving into. So those videos will come next year, but I just wanted to give you guys some ideas for decor and where to go. I will usually sometime do TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but by the time I hit up Hobby Lobby and Michael's, I'm like maxed out in terms of how much money I've spent for Easter decor, but I really like Michael's and Hobby Lobby's Easter decor. You know, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, they have stuff too, but if you want more extensive, more of a selection, I would definitely hit up Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and you can get some really great deals as well. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below, do you guys decorate for Easter? Where do you like to shop for your spring and Easter decor? I would be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.